Hi.
What? I need some help.
We are here to help you.
I don't know what to do.
You are here alone?
Me alone.
Where is your family?
I live alone. My family lives in Houston.
Are you hurt?
Nothing major.
Good. Have you eaten something?
It is a relief to see someone.
Yeah, we are here to help you. We'll take you to the safe place.
I don't know what to do.
Yeah, just come with me. We'll have food and space.
There is nowhere safe anymore from what I have seen.
We have safer place.
No, only me. I entered this apartment and was going to buy a house here. Looks like that is not happening anytime soon.
Where are your food supplies?
Not really.
Don't worry, just come with me.
Just go away. I don't want help.
Don't panic. I'm here to help you.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's go.